Hey everyone, it's Dr. Rob. Let me ask you something. Do you feel unhealthy? Maybe you're overweight, dealing with arthritis, or just feeling like your body isn't moving the way that it used to. The good news is you're not stuck. You don't need to run a marathon or join a gym. You just need to start moving the right way. Today, I'm going to share 5 simple exercises that are safe, effective, and designed specifically for people who feel stiff, sore, or out of shape. These movements can help you feel better, move better, and live better. So let's get started. Number 1, chair squats. This is one of the best exercises to build real life strength, especially if getting up from the couch or even the toilet is hard for you. Here's how you do it. Stand in front of a sturdy chair, lower yourself down slowly until your hips tap the seat. Then stand back up. Feet shoulder width apart, knees stay aligned over the toes. Start with 10 repetitions. If that's too hard, just do halfway. This strengthens your legs, glutes, and improves your balance and mobility. Number 2, wall push-ups. If regular push-ups are too hard or painful, this is a great alternative. Here's how you do it. Stand about 2 feet from the wall, place your hands at a chest level, bend your elbows and bring your chest to the wall, then push back. This works your chest, shoulders, and your arms without hurting your joints. It also helps improve posture, especially if you're sitting a lot. Number 3, seated marches. This one's perfect if you have arthritis or joint pain and want something low impact. Sit tall in a sturdy chair, lift one knee at a time like you're marching in place, swing your arm gently for balance. This improves circulation, strengthens your hips and core, and raises your heart rate gently. Try it for 30 to 60 seconds at a time. It's a great way to stay active even if you don't feel ready to stand yet. Number 4, step-ups. All you need is a low step or a stair. Step up with one foot, then the other. Step down the same way. Alternate which foot leads each time. Hold onto a railing or wall if needed. Start slow and focus on balance. Step-ups are amazing for strengthening your thighs, hips, and glutes. They also build coordination and help with everyday tasks like climbing stairs or getting into a car. Number 5, walking. It might sound too simple, but walking is one of the most powerful things you can do for your body. Start with 5 to 10 minutes a day. Walk at a pace that feels comfortable. Focus on good posture, head up, shoulders relaxed. Walking improves your heart health, burns calories, reduces joint stiffness, and lifts your mood. And the best part, you can do it anywhere, anytime. Bonus tip, start small. Don't wait until you feel ready. Just begin. Consistency matters more than intensity. Even 10 to 20 minutes a day can change your life. If you're overweight, in pain, or struggling with movement, these are the exact exercises that can help you feel better again. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to begin. Let's recap the 5 simple exercises to improve your health. Number 1, chair squats. Number 2, wall push-ups. Number 3, seated marches. Number 4, step-ups and walking. You can do them all at home, no equipment, no exercises. If this helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs it. I'm Dr. Rob. I believe in you. Keep moving forward, stay strong. I'll see you in the next video.